In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email templates names in Insightly. Whether you're organizing your email templates for better accessibility or managing a large number of templates, updating their names for internal use can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive right into it and break this process down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, we'll need to open a web browser of your choice and search for Insightly. In your search results, click on the official Insightly website to take you to the login page. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Having access is crucial to managing your email settings, so make sure everything is filled in correctly. Once logged in, shift your attention to the left-hand side of your Insightly interface. Here, you'll locate the Emails tab, which is where we need to navigate to next. Give it a click, and it will direct you to a page where all your email-related activities are managed. Finding yourself on the Emails page, direct your gaze to the top of this section. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Email Templates. Clicking on this tab will bring up a comprehensive list of all the email templates you've created in Insightly. This area is your go-to spot for managing, editing, and organizing your email templates. Now, the next step is to locate the specific template whose name you wish to change. You'll want to scroll through the list until you find your desired template. Once located, look closely at the template's name. Right next to it, you'll notice a three-dot menu. It might also appear as a hyperlinked name. Either way, clicking this option will present you with more choices. Upon clicking that three-dot menu, a drop-down will appear. Here, you want to look for and select the option that says Edit Email Notification or something similar. Choose that option, and it will redirect you to a new screen where you can make the necessary adjustments. Within this new screen, locate the field that allows you to change the name of your template. It's important to note that this name is purely for your internal organization. Email recipients will never see it, so feel free to get creative and use a name that best suits the function or category of the template. Once you've keyed in the new name, the final step is to ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. To do this, simply click the Save button to update your template with the new name. Saving your changes is crucial as it locks in all the adjustments you've made. And there you have it. Changing an email template's name in Insightly is as simple as navigating a few tabs, selecting your target template, and editing its name to better fit your organizational needs. Happy organizing!